Welcome to the decentralized social media app tutorial. Now, this is something I built a couple of years ago. It's going to have JavaScript, basic knowledge of React and Node.js, CSS, HTML, JSON. I got a script of PHP, so no big deal, and MySQL Workbench. So it's first and foremost, it's a news aggregator where you basically put in all the feeds of news that you like for your profile. You could put your own blog in here, obviously, whatever you want. And it's got a search, so you can file down to see things based on whatever their title is. As you can see, you can put anything in here. I got, for my dogs, I've got their blog in here. Anyway, so here's the next part of this is it's also kind of a social networking app, because you have other people's profiles in here that you know, and you all share your news aggregate feeds. So it looks like my dog Hank is following The Onion here, and he's just got one, but he can put in as many as he wants. And another thing, we can also curate this. So if you don't want to have like a story that has this certain word in it or something, like you just had it with this certain topic, you can actually just curate what you're reading based on typing in a keyword, and then you just won't see that story. Anything that discusses that. Now, beyond being able to share everybody's news feeds, it also has a messenger. It's real simple. You can type anybody in your network, and they can, hit you back. And then when you both delete or clear out the message, it just gets deleted forever. So it's pretty handy. It's really light. You can customize this thing. So as you can see, I'm going to throw in some banners here. And it's really easy. Just throw the link in wherever the banner exists, and it'll just show up. Same thing with an avatar. This is just something that kind of makes it a little more customizable, and it's super easy to update. So as you can see, it's right before our eyes. Another thing about this is we're going to see that I can change the themes. So anything from Bootswatch I've basically tied in here, and you can change your theme. Your whole look and feel will just change. And it'll just be saved like that. So whatever you pick, that's going to be kind of how you customized it. Beyond that, as you can see, it's just one of those projects that you kind of combine a whole bunch of things, into one. And it's kind of a little bit useful for everything. If you just want to communicate, if you want to like other people's stories, if you just want to have a news aggregate, that's fine. And it's really lightweight. I've used a lot of these functionalities before and just compiled them together to build this because I thought it'd be fun, and I thought it'd be a good, challenging project, and I can take out pieces and add them into other apps I built. If I like the messenger, this messenger now can go somewhere else, wherever I want, and so on and so forth. It works on any device. It's your own network. You can put it on any server you want. So that's pretty much it. I think it'll be a good project. I hope everybody enjoys going through it. It's going to take me, a few weeks to go ahead and write this out on video and kind of walk everyone through it slowly. Luckily, like you can see, I've already got it built. So I'll put a link for the original link for this in the bottom.